Hey guys, this is Coach Bogert, and I wanted to give you a little video tutorial on this week's assignments as they are different than our last few weeks' assignment. I've given you a little hint with my little emoji here on what we're going to be doing this week. You guys are going to get the opportunity to learn the Footloose line dance. So you'll want to click on this folder here, and inside you will find two videos. You'll find the instructions for the Footloose line dance, and this is the one that you'll want to watch first. It's going to go step by step through the line dance. The line dance is pretty basic. There is the hardest part about it is when you put it to music, it's really fast. So once you have the steps down, you'll definitely want to do this video quite a few times so that you have the steps down really well before you do the second video, which is putting that line dance to music because the music is, like I said, pretty fast. So then you'll want to learn the steps in the first video. Then you'll want to put the steps to music in the second video. Once you're feeling comfortable doing that, you've done it a few times and you have it down, then you can click on the first graded assignment for this week, which is the line dance video upload. So you'll click on that one, and then the directions for this. You're going to video yourself doing the line dance with music if possible. So maybe you can find Footloose in YouTube and have it open on a second tab, or maybe you can play it through your phone or another device that you might have at home. You will, if you can't figure out how to do the music, you can do this video upload assignment without music. I think it would be better with, but if you can't figure it out, it's okay. You can turn it in without music. Make sure your video is long enough that I can see you do all of the steps, go through the dance at least twice. Again, that's how I'm going to see that you're doing the assignment, right? Make sure I can see your feet in the video, right? That's the most important part, so I can see you doing the steps. And I wanted to assure you guys that this video that you're going to submit is for my eyes only. No one else will see it. I'm doing school in my basement. There's nobody else down here with me. So I will be the only one that sees the video. I'm not going to share it, not going to show it to anybody. It's just going to be me watching you do the dance and then giving you the points for it. I am really just interested in you guys trying the dance. Would I like it to be perfect? Yes, but if it's not, it's okay. I just want you to have fun with it and try it. You can get some extra credit for some added fun. You can have your mom, dad, brother, sister, other family members that live in your household do the dance with you. Maybe they could be your backup dancers. So to do the video upload, it's very simple. You just click Start New Attempt. And then right here, it'll say record. When you hit record, it's going to access your Chromebook camera. So you'll hit record. It will count you down. This is when you probably want to start the music. And then you'll record yourself dancing. You can hit stop. If you don't like it, you can redo it. If you submit it and go, oh my gosh, that was awful. Why did I submit it? You have up to 3 different submissions, so you can redo that too. You can review it and then turn it in. And I'll watch it. And again, as long as you've tried the dance, you'll get your 10 points. Okay. And then the other assignment that's worth 10 points, so we can get our total of 20, is just a quick line dance questions, right? And you'll get all of these answers to this assignment from the instructional video. So you might want to rewatch this video prior to doing this assignment here. So you'll just click on it, and you get 3 attempts at it. So if you don't do well the first time, do it again. And then you will just answer these 6 quick questions over the Footloose line dance. And then that will be the second graded assignment for this week. Okay, so I really want you guys to have fun with this. If you have any technical difficulties at all, if you can't get your camera to work or you can't get it to submit, please email me or talk to me in one of our meets so that I can help you. If we need to do an alternative assignment for you, if we can't figure it out, I'm pretty flexible with that, and we'll do something to figure out what you need to do. All right. Have fun. I look forward to seeing your dances.